How we doing? You have any luck?
2 smallies and 1 rock bass.
Sweet. Any size to them?
Not really.
Yeah.
Probably like smallie was like 10 inches long.
Hey, good fight though, right?
Yeah, they did.
Come on. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, I love the fight on these guys. Even when they're small like that, it's crazy.
Yeah, they're nice.
Nice little smallie right there. Thanks, buddy. Pretty close by to here. You might have to be on a boat to get over there. That's the thing. But I mean, if you want to go for pike, yeah, Connecticut River's your best bet. You go to the Oxbow. That's a good spot, right in Northampton. There we go. No, I haven't personally, no. It's a bucket list fish for me, yeah. Look at that little guy. You got plenty of rock bass, smallmouth, you suckers. Another one. Oh, it's a big rock bass. There we go.
Yeah, if you see like a brick building,
Look at that, buddy. Dylan. Look at that guy. Hey. Hey. Hey.